guys, hi again. Hello. It's my second unboxing video. Unfortunately, I never published the first one. So let's see if I can be more proactive with this one and actually publish it. So this is October's Simon Says Stamp card kit. And I really am. Got it 2 days ago, and I've been waiting to be able to do this. All right, what do we have? I think this was an add-on. I asked for the die cuts to go with it, so that's extra. Take this out. Oops, there's paper. Oh, there's... Okay, we are videoing. I don't know what happened to my camera, but anyway, here we are. So I've taken this out. I believe this is the rice paper. Oh, yes, definitely rice paper. I think there's one sheet of rice paper in here. And isn't it absolutely beautiful? All right, what is in here? Now, last time they sent, which I see they're not, and they didn't the first time. Last time they sent a pouch like this. And I was hoping they'd send one every time, but I think what they're saying is, oh, you could buy these, and wouldn't it be nice? So that I could put all my kit, everything. This is just so sweet, except I can't have sugar. Okay, 2 tiny blending tools. And these are rub-ons. I haven't, oops, 2 sides of rub-ons. I haven't used rub-ons in so long. And oh, I love this envelope. I was able to find this kind of paper at Office Max, which, well, I don't know about the rest of the country, but there's no Office Max around here. And it is great for ombre blending, that kind of stuff. But this is a whole envelope, so, and it looks like they have a green one too. Isn't that beautiful? And scorched timber. I just watched a video that used this scorched timber one, and I don't have that, so that's good. Well, let's get it all on the camera here, if we can. These are little pastel tones, positively dazzling gems. I am going to dump them out, if I can find it quickly. My little, oh, my desk is such a mess. I can never find anything on it. Oh, there they are. So we can see the colors. Now, I've been told if you shake it, it'll turn them over. And it does turn some of them over. Oh, aren't they beautiful? And they are kind of pastel-y. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay. Put those back and put the lid on before I spill it all over the place. Oops. And, ooh, isn't that a beautiful fluted forest decor? Well, forest, yes, but I see pine cones. It could be Christmas. Could be anything, really. I don't understand why Simon Says embossing folders are so much thicker than the rest. It's hard finding, for me anyway. I have a Vagabond, which is old. It's one of the electric ones, which I like, and it's lasted forever. But I had a hard time finding the right sandwich, and I'm still not sure it's quite right, because when it pops out and I've got it as thin as I can possibly get it, and when it comes out the other end, it kind of pops with a smack. Well, if it isn't obvious to you guys already, I talk with my hands. Ooh, this is just talking about Stamptember. This is the stencil, coloring stencil for this. And as I said, I also ordered the die cuts for it. So I've got all that. And let's see what's down here. And it shows some lovely different ways to use these. So pretty. I can't wait to get started. And green and brown and ivory or cream. So let me read what's in here. 2-step simple leaves and clear stamp set, which is this. Fluted decor embossing folder, which was this. Oh, that's not even on the screen anymore. Which was this. Two-step simple leaves stencil, which is this. Pastel tones dazzling gems. 5 single-sided sheets of Stampura Secret Diary. Oh, there's 5 in here. 5 single-sided sheets of Stampura Secret Diary, 8¼ by 7¾ rice paper. Oh, this is the rice paper. Oh, it's very thin if there's 5 sheets in there. So I've got to check it out. And there certainly are 5 sheets in there. One, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's that bird. There's that bird that's on here. And 5. Oh my gosh. These are absolutely to die for. I love the muted colors. And I know a trick for tearing rice paper from like years and years ago when I used to scrapbook. Fold it where you want to tear it, and then dampen this. I used to lick the edge. That moistens the fibers, and then you can tear it apart. You still get the frill, but at least it's in a straight line. These are absolutely gorgeous. And here's my problem with these card kits. There's only three sheets of paper, two envelopes. And how I'm pretty creative. I can make things. I can create things. But what I worry about is, oh, what if I ruin this one? I don't have any more. I'm afraid to start. So I will have to just get over that. Ooh, this one they embossed with the embossing folder. One of the sheets, one of these rice sheets. I don't know if, oh, it was this one they did. And it looks like they took that timber, what is it? Oh, scorched timber, and kind of distressed all around the edges. Oh, wow. Can't wait, can't wait. But, oh, I think no, it wasn't that. I did watch somebody just at lunchtime use this stamp set, this stamp set. They painted it with interesting colors. They were distress inks. One of them was this timber, this scorched timber. One of them was peacock feathers. And then there was I can't remember it, an amber and a green. And they just kind of splashed watercolored these, and they turned out really cool. And I can't remember who the YouTuber was, but she said, you know, I know that peacock feathers is a strange color for leaves, but it really does make them pop, and she's right. So I'm going to let you go now, and I'm going to play with these, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.